They told me. Son, you're special. You were born to do great things. You know what? They were right.
I am Andrew Ryan, and I'm here to ask you a question. Is a man not entitled to the sweat of his brow? No, says the man in Washington, it belongs to the poor. No, says the man in the Vatican, it belongs to God. No, says the man in Moscow, it belongs to everyone. I rejected those answers. Instead, I chose something different. I chose the impossible. I chose rapture. A city where the artist would not fear the censor, where the scientist would not be bound by petty morality, where the great would not be constrained by the small. And with the sweat of your brow, rapture can become your city as well.
Best get over there. And be quick about it. The splicers are survived that plane crash, but I've never been one to question Providence. I'm Atlas, and I aim to keep you alive. Now keep on moving. We're gonna have to get you to higher ground. Take a deep breath and step out of the bathysphere. I won't leave you twisting in the wind. We're gonna need to draw out of hiding, but you're gonna have to trust me.
I'll wrap you in a sheet.
Just a bit more. Now, would you kindly find a crowbar or something? Bloody splicer sealed Johnny in before they... Damn splicers.
I found her that way!
My daddy's smarter than Einstein, stronger than Hercules, and lights a fire with a snap of his finger. Are you as good as my daddy, mister? Not if you don't visit the Gatherer's Garden, you aren't. Smart daddies get sliced at the garden.
Steady now. Your genetic code is being rewritten. Just hold on and everything will be fine.
This little fish looks like he just had his cherry popped. Wonder if he's still got some Adam on him. Let's buck. Weak! You're a weak chopper. This little fish ain't worth towing it with no big daddy. Yellow always had been. You'll be no better off with Metal Daddy, little fish. See you floating from my...
Look, Mr. Bubbles, it's an angel. I can see light coming from his belly. Wait a minute, he's still breathing. It's alright. I know he'll be an angel soon.
You alright, boyo? First time plasma's a real kick from a mule. But there's nothing like a fistful of lightning now, is there? Then whack 1-2 punch. Remember, a 1-2 punch.
I know you're here! I can...
Tell Ryan I'm sorry. I won't do it again. No, please, don't do that. The whole thing will go...
Leave me alone! Come back! I didn't mean it!
Sing this song. Hush now. Mommy's gone. And Daddy too. Wait. This is happening before and none. Why aren't you here? Why is it today and not then when you were warm and sweet? Why can't Mommy hold you to her breast and feel your teeth? Oh, no. No, 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 no.
Plasma's changed everything. They destroyed our bodies, our minds. We couldn't handle it. Best friends butchering one another. Babies strangled in cribs. The whole city went to hell.
If I didn't care, would I feel this way?
You bring it to it this time, Brenda. Not some...
I'll do what I want. It's my Adam. I earned it.
Do you want this ugly? Or do you want this nice? I can do it either way. Open the damn door!
And round while my heart stands still. If I didn't
Last time, I warned ya.
be the same,
Brenda!
would my every breath
Charlie, where you going? Nah!
would all this be true if I didn't care for
If I didn't care, honey child, more than words can
So
say.
stuck up she is. I'll show her.
If I didn't care,
If you spot a splicer in the water, hit him with the electrobolt.
darling, if this isn't love, then why do I thrill so much? And what is it that makes my head go round and round down my heart?
Another New Year's, another night alone. I'm out and you're stuck in Festus, working. Imagine the surprise. But have another drink? Here's a toast to Diane McClintock, silliest girl in Rapture. Silly enough to fall in love with Andrew Ryan. Silly. What happened? I'm bleeding. Oh God. What's happening?
I'm too spliced up. Nobody's gonna want me.
Hey, Brenda, you care to tell me why you had a hole in the wall the size of Plymouth Rock coming out of your crapper going on 3 weeks now? Now, I ain't saying I'm Shakespeare. I'm trying to run a
Don't
respectable
fucking
theater.
judge
I got
me.
working folk coming in from Fort Denver trying to catch a little capture. All I can think about is the stink coming out of your shitter. Get it fixed.
Careful now. Would you kindly lower that weapon for a minute? You think that's a child down there? Don't be fooled. She's a little sister now. Somebody went and turned a sweet baby girl into a monster. Whatever you thought about right and wrong on the surface, well, that don't count for much down in Rapture. Those little sisters, they carry Adam, the genetic material that keeps the wheels of Rapture turning. Everybody wants it, everybody needs it. That's the big daddy. She got it on him. He keeps her safe.
The dawn is. The party's over now. The dawn is drawing very nigh. Let's creep away from the day and allow me to say goodbye.
KGB wolf with a CIA jackal. Here's the news. Rapture isn't some sunken shit for you to plunder. And Andrew Ryan isn't a giddy socialite to be slapped around by government muscle. And with that, farewell, or das Lasagna.